Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to change the theme in Google Chrome to make your browser look exactly how you like it. Let's dive in. When your Google Chrome browser is open, click the Customize Chrome button. A side panel will open where you can choose any theme color you want for the Chrome user interface. With just one click, the interface will instantly change to your selected color palette. You can also use the color picker to select your own custom interface color. Another way is to install a Chrome theme from the Chrome Web Store. Click on the three dots icon and select the menu item Extensions. And then on the submenu, visit Chrome Web Store. It will open now the Chrome Web Store and click on the tab Themes. Here, you can browse themes by category, including animals, art, and even a separate category for dark and black themes. For now, let's search for one using the search box. For example, type white-black theme and press the Enter key. Then, select a theme, for example, white and black theme for Google Chrome. Next, click the blue Add to Chrome button. With this black theme, you can clearly see the active tab with a white background, while the inactive tabs appear with a black background. Pretty cool, right? And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.